Hello everyone, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share photo mats and inserts 2. If you've heard me talk about photo mats and inserts when I'm showing you a mini album, letting you know this is a great little piece to stick in any mini album, this is what I'm talking about. I have a total of 10 designs. You find the first set in photo mats and inserts 1, and this is the other 5 designs in photo mat and inserts 2. All right, so if you're interested in the other 5 designs, you want to look for photo mats and inserts 1. So let me take you through these designs. Here you get another 5 designs, and you see 6 here, and that's because I made 2 of this particular design here, and I'll just walk you through them. These are exclusive to Paper Phenomenon. These are my little simple designs, and I've been doing these for a long time, guys. I just wanted to give you a preview video because a lot of you asked me, what is photo mats and inserts? Here it is, guys. These are quick and easy catch-all projects where you can stick a few photographs in each of these if you do not necessarily have a place for them in your mini album, or if you kind of want to highlight them within a mini album, you can stick one of these in your album as an additional interactive element. So this, I have all different sizes that you can pick and choose whichever one you want to fit in whatever particular mini album you are working on. So look at how cute this one is. Very, very simple. This is kind of like a play on my deconstructed envelope right here. Just really simple, and you've got the 1 button closure. Another fun thing about these is that if you're looking for different styles of closures, I give you a few interesting examples in these, so you're going to find these a lot of fun. All right, and if you are if you want quick and easy projects, guys, and you want to learn techniques on assembly and how to construct things, this is a good way to kind of get you started with these smaller projects. These are designed to go into mini albums like as an additional element, but you can use these as a standalone piece, a quick gift to stick a $20 bill in or a gift card, and you are good to go. So again, this is another play on my deconstructed envelope, which I think is so smart and so super easy and quick. So the way this one works is you put your photo mats right here in the center, and then you get all sorts of room for pretty paper and opportunities for embellishing. And then that closes up like so with this little closure right here. Okay, and these again are in no particular order. This is a larger version of this smaller one with a different closure. You can see this one will accommodate way bigger bigger photo mats, like this number 10 tag that you see right here, 4x6s, this one that accommodates 2 4x4s, this large poster area. If you have a 8x10, will absolutely fit here, kind of if you crop it down just slightly, will fit perfectly. And that's this one. So again, quick and easy projects with closure options. Okay, lots of closure options here. Super cute. And then here is another style. This one is a lot of fun. Again, a play with this little closure right here, and playing with different shapes. All right, so I'll take you through this one here. So the way this one works is, so the banner is your, kind of like the closure of this one here. And when you pull the banner, the entire little photo mat booklet comes out. Okay. And this is for landscape and portrait. And these all accommodate 4x6 photos, guys. 4x6 photos. Okay, that's what this accommodates. This is not for little pictures, okay? Then you've got my triple belly band assembly here, and then a really large photo mat right here, okay? So they're perfect, 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 perfect. Just playing with lots of pattern paper. It's really cute and adorable. Here's this one. So then you slip that right into the envelope. And done. And here's this one. I actually made this one for my niece, Caitlin, and then I wind up not giving this one to her because she picked something else. So she couldn't have them both. And this one is so cute. Same one, just different papers, different banner style, and I cover this all in the tutorial. Okay. And if you're interested in any of these papers, they are also listed in the tutorial as well. Okay. And that slips in there. So how cute would this be if you had to have this in a mini album just for additional pictures or just to highlight a special moment. All right, just really cute, guys. And then this is a last design, and I did this one in a couple of different patterns. I absolutely love this one. This is my four-way pocket. This is absolutely exclusive to me here to Paper Phenomenon. I'm truly proud of this design here, guys. So the way this one works is it's called a four-way pocket. So it literally has pockets on all four sides, and you open it up and you've got one photo mat here, one photo mat here, one photo mat here, and one photo mat down here. And guys, the construction on this is so wonderful. It's absolutely perfect. You guys are going to have fun making this. And then the front of this, you have room for large tags that you can use as photo mats in general. And then some spaces here. I did a collage these sentiments to create a small pocket or insertion point here. And that's where I added all these fun little embellishments. These stickers I backed to black cardstock, and they created small little icons just so you can stick in just some fun things, you know, just to add interest. But look at this, guys. How beautiful is this? So you really want to learn how to make this one. This one is so much fun. A lot of my photo mats and inserts, you probably see a lot of different renditions of it and things like that. But this is absolutely the gem. I love this one. And this one's called my four-way pocket, and it is perfect. All right, so if you're interested in any of these designs, you want to check out the link down below. This is for these 5 designs here. This is Photo Mats and Inserts 2. All right, so you want to click on the link below. And again, these will work back with all sorts of different projects, mini albums, photo albums, large albums, any type of scrapbook, or perfect giftables, standalone projects. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.